What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today in this video we are going to create a very kind of world, end of the world photo manipulation theme kind of concept with kind of the moon is totally broken, that kind of unique and cinematic kind of photo. We're gonna just do it in Photoshop. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as visit my website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. and guys, I want to tell you that website will take up to 2 or 3 days because the site is under maintenance, so do visit after 3 or 4 days. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the beautiful world of Photoshop. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, the very first thing all you need to do is capture some photo in your bedrooms in such a way that you are holding some kind of lights towards your face, or else you can also place the mobile torch light and hold that light in your hands, and it should be facing towards your eyes or face. Alright, now capture that kind of photo, and now all you need to do is let's just download this that broken moon PNG. All the links are down given in the description, so you can just download it for free. We're gonna just add this photo or the PNG to our photo, and just we have to place that particular PNG of the moon in such a way that it should look exactly on the eyes or on the skin or lightness effect which we are holding in the hand. Alright, so you have to maintain the originalism of the photo. So in that way you have to place that moon PNG. Before placing the photo or the PNG, we're gonna just extend the the canvas size of the photo, because we want to add many of the particles in this particular photo. So we're gonna just extend the photo for our Instagram. So here we have duplicated the layer. Now let's just merge both the layers, and here you can see some kind of sort of difference is seen. So we're gonna just fix it with the help of clone tool. So press Alt key and just paint it and give a stroke of that clone tool over there, so it will just make an amazing effect. So now we can just adjust this PNG, particular moon PNG, in such a way that it should look kind of more realistic, and it should look exactly on the direction of the eyes. That is the very key point of this particular photo, because if it doesn't look real, then it is useless. Alright, so we have to maintain the originalism up to the end of the photo. So you have to place this particular PNG in a perfectly on the eyes direction. Now let's create new layer. Select the brush tool and make sure you have selected the black color, and just press Ctrl T from the keyboard and enlarge it and place it behind this broken moon PNG. Alright, because this will actually bring back the details of the moon, and it will look more kind of enhanced look. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo with the help of this adding a black layer or the black stroke of the brush to the photo. So now let's add this cloud particles or the cloud PNG to the photo. So you can just download this particular cloud PNG photos from the links in the description, and just place it here and there randomly as shown in the video, but you have to maintain the originalism of the photo, that you have to keep in mind. Alright, so just place all the clouds in random position as shown in the video. And guys, we are going to add this falling asteroid or the stone particles to the photo. So just drag it and drop over here, and we're gonna just add it, and it will just give a photo a very cinematic vibe to the actual footage of the photograph. So it is very much important to add this falling stone particles or the asteroids. Now we have to place this above all the layers but below the moon layer. Alright, so now you just have to do the thing is that place this in such a way that it kind of look more realistic, and perspective of this stone should be perfectly matching with the photo. That is the very important thing that you have to keep in mind. So I'm gonna just place this somewhere over here, and I'm gonna just erase the bigger stone particles from the photo because I don't want that. Alright, so you can, with the help of eraser, you can just delete it. So this is how you have to place this asteroid or stone particles in such a way. Now let's go to the color lookup and just add this preset or the LUT file to the photo and see the magic. Your photo is totally looking very perfect. I'll put this link in the description of this particular cube or the LUT file which I am using in this particular photo. So you can just download it for free. So guys, you can see the difference by adding a LUT to the photo. It is really making it a perfect cinematic photo. Alright. So the next thing we're gonna do is adding some more the stone particles or the the asteroids particles to the photo in enhanced way. So still you can just more adjust the cloud PNG according to your convenience. Again, let's just press Ctrl T and we're gonna just place this over the position over here because there was something remaining in this photo or this side of the photo because it was actually very blackish photo. So we're gonna just add some more clouds to here. Alright, now this one is looking kind of very cool. So now let's just put the hue and saturation and click the skin tone of the red color and just change it to kind of yellowish skin tone because we want to get the perfect skin tone. So you can just adjust the color by yourself. After adding the LUT file also you have to adjust the manually the skin tone. So you can just do it with the help of hue and saturation according to your desired amount of color what you want. Now we're gonna just add this again the rock particles of the PNG on top of all the layers. So just go to the filter, select the blur and select the Gaussian blur and just make the Gaussian blur the photo or the rock photograph PNG and just place it on the kind of way that it look more cinematic. So you have to place it on the front of the top of all the layers so it may look kind of more dramatic and kind of give it an amazing depth of field to the photo. It should it should look like it is the particles are coming towards the camera. So you have to place that rock. So as you can guys see the difference here, it is really looking, we have added all the rocks in foreground area, so it is making a photo more cinematic and dramatic. So now let's just merge all the layers and here we have completed our process of editing this particular photo. It is really looking a perfect example to create. If you want to create an amazing cinematic photo, then you can just use this editing style and just make it pop out. Now let's go to the filter and select the camera filter and make a little bit of adjustment. Make the temperature of the bluish color to around -2 or 3 or 5 would be pretty perfect. Now let's go to the calibration and just move the slider from blue primary color to around -10 and just hit OK. So as you can see the difference guys, it is really looking very perfect photo, that kind of end of the world theme that kind of giving to the photo. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. And also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. On that website you can download all the stuff and presets and logs and many more cool editing stuff just for free. Currently guys, the site is under maintenance for 2 or 3 days, so it will take time, so stay tuned and have patience. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.